Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome notification not showing in your device. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, select apps. Here directly search for Chrome and then open your Chrome application from here. Now select notifications. Make sure this is toggled on and it says allow notifications. And you can simply select all of these three options. You can also see a notification in lock screen, see an app icon badge, or get a notification pop-up on your top page. Once done, let's go ahead and clear the cache. So select storage and clear cache. Once done, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store. And again here, search for Chrome. At this page here, if you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. You can skip this step. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch your Chrome, and now the notification will always be shown.